Hello everybody, this is a quick video to demonstrate how to star or save places into Google Maps on your phone so that you can create your own route, view your own route. As some of us noticed today, the way that FedEx routes our packages is just a computer taking its best guess at how it should route your packages, and it leaves a lot to be desired. So I personally like to create my own routes. I feel like I can do it more efficiently than the computer can, and I will show you how I do that here. So first we open up Google Maps. If you haven't downloaded it onto your phone, I recommend that you do so. It probably will work very similar in Apple Maps, but this is a demonstration for Google Maps, which I prefer. So you open up Google Maps, and at the top you'll see a blank search bar. This is where we search each address from our packages. You don't want to use your manifest list to search your addresses, because you'll find that some of those addresses on your manifest list you actually don't have a package for. So make sure that you search just the addresses on your packages so that you're not adding too many stars for places that you don't even have a package to deliver. So first we click on the search bar, and we're going to type an address off of our package. I'm going to use 7857 South 450 East. I will click search at the bottom, and it will find that address for me. So now what I do is you can see at the bottom there's a white area with the address. You slide that up the screen like so, and you can see at the top left corner there is a save flag. I'm going to click that save flag. It gives me another list where I will click starred places. As you can see at the bottom, it says it is saved in starred places. To get out of this screen, you can either use the back arrow at the top left corner or simply slide back down. And then you want to clear this address out so that you can move on to search your next address. In order to do that, you can either click the X in the search bar or click anywhere else on the map. But the most effective way is click the X in the search bar. And as you can see, the address that we just starred becomes a yellow starred place on my map. So now we'll click the search bar again, and we will search our next address. Our next address on our next package is 8600 South 700 East. You can see that it's giving me suggestions in the list already, and this is the one I want in Sandy, so I will select that, and it will take me right here. I will slide the white bar from the bottom, I will slide it up, and I will see my save flag at the top left corner. I will click that, and I will click starred places. Saved in starred places, I will slide the screen back down, and then I will click the X in my search bar, and you can see that it has now become a star. So now I have finished entering all of my addresses from all of the packages that I have for the day. When I'm finished, I will pinch the screen to zoom out until I can see all of my stars on my screen. You want to zoom out far enough to make sure that you can see all the stars, and then zoom back in so that you can now look at your screen, and simply by looking at all the stars in one screen, you can make a very educated decision on how you should start delivering these packages. I prefer to go starting with the closest star to myself. I prefer to go in a clockwise circle. Doesn't matter which way you go, it's a personal preference. So I'm choosing Moochie's Meatballs, and click the star on your first address that you want to deliver to, and you can see at the bottom, after you click the star, it gives you the detail page, and you can immediately click Start Navigation on the bottom left. If I click Start, it will begin navigating, and I can simply drive. It will give me directions to get there. I will drive to my first address, and as soon as you arrive at your first address, the screen that you will see on your phone is this screen where you can see that it's a saved place. Click on the saved flag to remove the star. Click on starred places again, and you can see at the bottom of the screen that it says removed from starred places. It's very important that you remove every star as you deliver the packages so that you don't accidentally come back and navigate to the same address where you already delivered. So then I will slide back down. I will click the X in the search bar, and I will zoom out until I find my next closest star. I will click the star. I will click Start Navigation. It will begin navigating. I will drive to my next location, and when I arrive, I will see this screen, at which time I will unstar by clicking Saved Places. Again, that is clicking Saved Places and then Starred Places, and you can see removed from starred places, and you continue doing this until you are out of stars. Again, this is a really good way to see what you have left, where you still have to go, and it can also help you avoid traffic by taking a different route. If you see that there's a heavy traffic along the way that you had originally planned, maybe reverse your direction and go the opposite direction to help you save some time. That is all for now. If you have any questions about it, do let me know, and I can give you more detail in person.